Some of my early followers may remember this unit. This is a Carrier Comfort Series heat pump at a Dollar Tree complex area, basically. First filmed this in, I think, maybe spring of 2018, and revisiting it, and several other units that are here. I think the logo on it used to be right there or something, but I relocated it to right here. It's a 2009 5-ton, 25 HCB. Top is still in relatively good condition. It has not been running because I believe the building that it does is this place that is now closed down. I think it might be a part of the Dollar Tree that has been closed down. Scroll compressor and a sound blanket. Yeah. Rusty fan grill because it's on the coast, so that's to be expected. As well as the coils are also kind of flaking, I think. But yeah, figured I'd get a quick video of this, and thanks for watching.